My name is Purvaja Vilas Sawant. I am from Sayok College of Management Studies, Thane. I am pursuing my BBA, and today's topic of my presentation is the year 2020. What is wrong with 2020? Why is it so unlucky? These are some common questions that may come to your mind. And see what bad things are remaining to happen. I sometimes feel that this year has some grudge against the human race because coronavirus is not the only thing that is happening with us. From cyclone to locust attacks, we have a lot on our plate. So, one by one, let me tell you that all the bad things that have happened this year and all the bad things that may happen in the future. Let's start. This year starts with the news of coronavirus. This hasn't left us yet since the new year, and it doesn't seem that it will go away anytime soon. On December 31, 2019, the WHO first recorded pneumonia-like case in China's Wuhan, which was later called as COVID-19. Coronavirus has infected over 7 million people and has killed more than 4 lakh people. India, with more than 2.5 lakh cases, and is the fifth worst affected country, and its side effects are here. And this year has seen unprecedented job losses from aviation industry to tourism. Almost every sector is facing the brunt of this pandemic. If you only talk about India, in age of 21 to 39, people have lost jobs in just April. Well, I am not even counting job losses in other countries. Many countries had to enter into a lockdown and it felt like a forced summer vacation. IMF said that the world is facing the worst economic crisis since 1930s. This is how it is. We were already dealing with this pandemic and again Cyclone Amphan. Cyclone Amphan caused devastation in West Bengal, Odisha and Bangladesh. It was the worst cyclone in Bengal in last 283 years and it killed nearly 12 deaths in Kolkata and caused the loss of nearly 1 lakh crore. Thousands of people lost their homes. Forget social distancing, people don't even know where to stay. And then Cyclone Nisarga. Cyclone Nisarga severely impacted parts of Maharashtra, affecting thousands of farmers and hundreds of villages. The state has alone crossed the official tally of COVID 19 in China. We were not even over Amphan and Nisarga that locust attacked us. Locusts had destroyed crops in nearly 5 states of India, and the central government has issued warning to 12 states. Pakistan has seen 40% damage to the crops in many areas and also threat to food security. These locusts have also caused devastation in many East African nations. And India is the next target. Everyone has been telling each other that stay home, stay safe, but wait, when that is not true. From April 12 to June 3, Delhi NCR has recorded 11 minor earthquakes, as you can see. Now, let us talk about the bad things happening in May. I can see a new crisis already. There is a massive oil spill in Russia, and 21,000 tons of diesel has spilled in the Arctic Ocean. And this all happened in just a week, which began in the last week of May. It may take a decade to actually clean that up. Other than this, on January 26, we lost Kobe Bryant. He was all-time greatest player, died in a helicopter crash. Delhi witnessed the worst communal riots since 1984. No one thought it would happen in the India's capital. At the same time, Bollywood lost some really talented actors like Imran Khan, Rishi Kapoor, and Sushant Singh Rajput. May their soul rest in peace. Honestly, if I don't get any negative news every week, now it feels like something is missing in life. And the moment a negative news breaks on Twitter, people have a common reaction that this year is cursed. Don't forget that it's just been 6 months and the rest of the year doesn't look any better. According to some research, Geologists cause that a major earthquake may hit Delhi NCR soon. A second wave of locust possible after the monsoon to hit India. It means we are screwed from all ends. And these bad things are not just happening in India. The newspaper's international page is equally depressing. America is seeing major riots in cities, like the Black Lives Matter movement is getting steam. Hong Kong is witnessing major protest against China. A new mutant blood-sucking tick has been discovered in Russia. And last but not the least, India is entangled with China in border controversies. Well, I'm really jealous of those astronauts who have just left the Earth for SpaceX mission, because clearly Earth is not the best place to be right now. Earth is really not well. The only thing we can do right now is to hope that the rest of the year is better for us. And sometimes, against all odds, against all logic, we still have to be strong and hope. We have had bad years in the past, but we have come out stronger. Let us hope 2021 gives us a major relief. Well, how can we forget that we all are tremendously grateful to the people serving on the front lines of COVID-19 in essential services. This includes healthcare workers, first responders, grocery store clerks, gas station attendants, postal employees, delivery drivers, auto mechanics, and so many more. Not only are they ensuring we have essential care, supplies, and services, but they are often doing it while interacting with members of the public who could potentially make them ill. Besides, our Indian soldiers are working very hard to save our country on the borderlands. So, everyone needs our support. We need to stand strong and let's hope for a good future. Thank you.